DP-10 Maintenance Guideline. Shake the sand powder evenly before use. Recommend for 10 seconds. Pull out the handle, turning and pulling at the same time. And wipe the sand blasting handle clean with a damp towel. Use a 3-way syringe to dry the handle and unclog the pipeline. Wipe the whole machine to keep it clean. Remove the sand can cover and use a 3-way syringe to clean up any remaining sand powder. Use a 3-way syringe to clean the residual sand powder inside the sand tank and at the threads. Install the whole machine and air spray for 30 seconds to remove excess and powder and moisture from the pipeline. DP-10 Dredging Guide. Firstly, prepare the DP-10, hot water, pointed nose pliers, 2 sanding needles, and a 3-way syringe on the dental chair. Aim the 3 gun at the sandblasting port and blow air to confirm if the sandblasting gun is sandblasting. If it's still blocked, soak it in hot water for 15 minutes. Blow dry the surface moisture with a 3-way syringe. Using a sand needle to clear sand and unclog. Use a 3-way syringe to blow air into the 2 air outlets. DP-10 Dental Air Polisher Cleaning. First, remove the sand filing cover. Slowly remove the sanding head counterclockwise with pointed nose pliers. Loosen and remove the intake adapter again. Use a sandblasting needle to clear the air outlet and inlet holes. Use a 3-way syringe again to clear all ventilation holes. Use a sand needle to clear the head. Use a 3-way syringe to clear the air polisher head. Use a root canal file to clear the sandblasting head. Use a 3-way syringe to blow off the surface sand powder. Use a sanding needle to unclog the adapter. Use a root canal file to unclog the adapter. Use a 3-way syringe to blow off the surface and sand powder. Assemble DP-10 properly. Check if the 3 sealing rings are damaged and if the snap ring is deformed. Clean up residual sand powder with a 3-way syringe. Just cover the sand can lid.